with another video. So guys, you forgot the password to your Mac device, and now you can't get in. Well, that's not a problem because today I'm going to be showing you exactly what you're supposed to do if you forgot the password on your Mac device. So guys, before starting, I just wanted to mention that the great thing about doing these password resets on Mac devices and even on Linux, as I've shown you before, is that you will not lose any of your data. So all of the data that you have, that will remain there, which is a great thing if you have some important information on there. Now guys, before starting, this will work on basically all Mac OS firmwares as long as there are 10.6 and above. So really Lion, Mountain Lion, Yosemite, Mavericks, and even the new Sierra, which I'm on, will all work, and even firmwares after that should really work using this method. So guys, as you can see, I cannot get into my Mac right now. I have forgot the password. So okay, so let's get started. So guys, the first thing that you want to do is you want to completely shut down your computer. You want to shut down your Mac device. Now obviously it doesn't matter what Mac device it is, as long that it is a Mac device. Okay guys, so now once it's completely off, what you want to do is you want to hold down the power button, and at the same time, as soon as it turns on, you want to hold the Command and R button together. So I'll go ahead and do that. Okay. So Command and R button, you want to keep those held. Now guys, you're gonna probably see this blank screen over here, which means a good thing because it's gonna take you into recovery mode, which is really where we want to be right now. Okay. Okay guys, anyways, so now we are inside of the recovery mode. So basically what we want to do over here is we're not going to use any of the options mentioned here. Instead, what we're going to do is we're going to head over to utilities on top next to the window icon, and then we're going to click on terminal. Okay, so it's going to basically open up your terminal here. I'm sorry this is a bit slow, it's an older device, but anyways, from here what you want to type in is reset password, all one word, as soon as you get onto the terminal. And now it's going to open up a separate interface, which as you can see, it opens up here. So really it's really simple. After this, it's going to show you your user accounts, and you just want to click on whichever one you want to reset the password for. So I'm going to do it for my account, and then you just enter in your new password. It's really as simple as that. So I'm just going to enter in 1234, make it really simple right now. You can enter in a password hint if you want. I don't need to do that right now, but anyways, you just enter in your new password, click next. Your user account password has been reset. You may reboot and sign in using your new password. So you can just click restart from here. And guys, the interface is a bit different if you're on a firmware that's lower than Sierra, but really it's the exact same actual process to do this. So anyways, now it's going to restart your computer, and yeah guys, and after that you will be able to use your account with your new password. So let this just boot up over here, and there we are guys, we are inside of our Mac menu. So after this, really, as you can see, I'm just going to type in 1234, which is my new password. I click enter, and there we go guys, we are inside of our Mac account. And now obviously this is going to tell you that it was unable to unlock your login keychain, which basically means that all of your stored passwords for like your credit card and all that stuff, that will not really be saved right now, as because this is just a security measure to make sure that no one gets access, no random person gets access to all of this information. But if you do know your credentials, you can continue your login, or I'm just gonna click create a new keychain. Who really cares? Okay, and there we go. So we are inside of our Mac device, and yeah guys, it is really that easy to get into your Mac device and reset your password if you were to forget it. So guys, really that is about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video helped you guys, please hit that like button and please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. That is about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace.